good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is reproductive system. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is reproductive system. So topic is reproductive system. First subtopic of reproductive system is reproduction. First of all, definition of reproduction. Students, reproduction is a biotic process. So definition is parent offspring or progeny, which is called reproduction. So the process of reproducing or same offspring or progeny in living organism is called reproduction. So definition is the process of reproducing same offsprings or progeny to parent which is called reproduction. For example, I draw a linear figure of formation or development of progeny. First is male human, second is female human. Students, male human to have primary reproductive organ or man reproductive organ testis, but female human to have primary or man reproductive organ ovary in testis after a specific age, like in puberty. Formation of process of spermatogenesis complete. Next, oogenesis process is completed in ovary, so forms male gamete, it means sperm. Next, forms ovum, it means female gamete. Once again, in male human, primary reproductive organ testis, in female human, ovary. In testis, completed a specific process, spermatogenesis. Students, in this process, formation of male gamete, it means sperm. It is haploid cell, it is haploid structure. Next, oogenesis. In oogenesis completed in ovary part and forms female gamete or ovum. It is a haploid structure because these gametes to forms by meiosis division. When the male and female gamete proper fused in favorable condition, which process is called fertilization. Once again, definition of fertilization is fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization and forms zygote. It is a first cell of human development. Next, development of zygote, it means cell division and cell differentiation is complete in zygote, so forms progeny or offspring. Second, humans to have sexual reproduction. Next, property of sexual reproduction is participate to parent. Second, formation of gamete. Next, third, to complete meiosis division. They are specific character of sexual reproduction. First, participant to opposite parent, opposite sex. Next, formation of gamete, and third is to complete meiosis division. Next is puberty. First is definition of puberty is the development of reproductive capacity by maturation of immature genitals or reproductive organs of male and female of human is called puberty. Once again, the development of reproductive capacity of maturation of immature genitals or reproductive organ of male and female gamete. Next, secondary sexual characters in puberty. First, in boys, on the effect of testosterone hormone, some specific characters. First is heavy voice. Next is skin becomes oily, and third, development of accessory reproductive organ like vasa deferens, vasa efferentia, epididymis. Next is in girls on the effect of progesterone and estrogen hormone. It means secondary sexual character develop on the presence of some specific hormones. First, to initiate menstrual cycle. Next is skin becomes oily. Once again, in girls, on the effect of progesterone and estrogen, students, they are female hormones secreted by ovary part, testosterone secreted by testes, but they are secreted by ovary part. Skin become oily. Next, initiation of menstrual cycle. Next is types of reproductive system. Mostly two types. First is male reproductive system. Second is female reproductive system. Once again, first is male reproductive system. Second is female reproductive system. First is male reproductive system. Students, it means group of organ. These organs related to reproduction of male humans. It means group of organs is called system. Is related to of male human. First is reproductive organs, because reproductive organs to forms in male humans a specific system is a male reproductive system. First is primary or man reproductive system. Second is secondary reproductive organ. First is primary or man reproductive organ in male human is testis, only testis. But secondary reproductive organ or accessory reproductive organ in male human is first is vasa efferentia, secotrum, vasa deferens. Third is seminal vesicle. Fourth is urethra. Fifth is prostate gland. Sixth is penis. Once again, secondary reproductive organ or accessory reproductive organ. First is secotrum, vasa deferens, seminal vesicle, urethra, prostate gland, and penis. First of all, primary reproductive organ is testis. First of all, figure of male reproductive system is, student, this is a figure of male reproductive system. First is, this is testis. It is round shape structures. Next, number one pair. Next is accessory is First is vasa deferens. It is a tube-like structure. Once again, this is a tube-like structure is called vasa deferens. Next, this is a cylindrical structure is penis. Next, this is a bag-like structure is seminal vesicle. Once again, seminal vesicle is a accessory or secondary reproductive organs. Next, this is urinary bladder. Next, this is prostate gland. Once again, first is testis. It is primary or main reproductive organs. Number 1 pair, shape, round. Next, function, synthesis or formation of sperms. Next, to secrete testosterone, male hormone. Next, accessory and secondary reproductive organ. First is vasa deferens, structures tube-like to carry sperms. Next, penis. It is a cylindrical structures to transfer sperms into male genital organ, female genital organ. Next, prostate gland. It is a tumor-like structures to secrete some specific part of semen. Semen, it is a fluid. In the semen, some maximum amount of sperm are found in semen part. Next, seminal vesicle. It is a bag-like structure to secrete a specific part, some specific part of semens. First stage, it is primary or main reproductive organs. Number 1 pair. It means 2. Shape, mostly round shape, sometimes oval shape, mostly round shape. Next, function, formation of sperms. It means male gamete. Next, to secrete male hormone, testosterone. Students, testosterone hormones to responsible for secondary sexual character in male human, like heavy voice, skin become oily. Next is secondary reproductive organ. Students, it is also an accessory reproductive organ. First is secotrum. First is secotrum. In secotrum, testis located. It means primary or main reproductive organ testis located in secotrum part. Next, structures bag-like. Next is function, to control temperature, because spermatogenesis complete the less body temperature of human. It means spermatogenesis complete in below 37 degrees Celsius. Next is seminal vesicle. It means bag-like structures to secrete semen part. First, shape, bag like. Next number, one pair, it means two. Third is function. Function is storage of sperms, storage of male gamete, a temporary form. Next is synthesis of semen. Students, it is a specific fluid. In fluid found sperms. Next, semen to provide energy and movement to sperm. Once again, function of semen is to provide energy and movement to sperm. Next is vasa deferens shape, tubular, number one pair, it means two. Next is function to carry sperm from testis to axillary duct. Once again, to carry sperm from testis to axillary duct. Next is penis. First is shape, cylindrical shape. Next it is erectile copulatory organs. Next is function of penis is to transfer sperms into female genital organ. So thanks, have a nice day.